Okay, I think we are taking much time. We'll start the next session. The most basic data structures in Python is the sequence. Each element of the sequence is assigned a number, its position or index. The first index is always 0, the second index 1, and so on and so forth. So we saw already what are the sequences and how the index will be. Its index start from 0. So popular sequences in Python are list, tuple, sets, dictionary, and strings. Sets we don't have much in the syllabus. Anyway, we'll just tell you it's very simple. Actually, when it comes, we can learn, but it is not for our syllabus. List, tuple, dictionary, and strings. Okay, the most powerful operations including indexing, slicing, adding, multiplying, and checking for membership. These are the popular operation we'll be doing. In addition, Python has a built-in functions for finding a length of a sequences and for finding a largest and smallest element, right? So the length already we saw, len. So first we'll see a list. So list points to remember is list are collection of items. It can be a mixed items like string, integer, even other list also, even list within the list. Lists are enclosed in a square bracket. Every item in a list has an assigned index value. Index value start from 0. And each item in a list separated by a comma. And lists are mutable, which means they can be changed. Inside the value of a list can be changed. That is called mutable. And you have only list is mutable, and the dictionary only the value is mutable, not the key, because dictionary is a key value pair, and tuples and strings it is immutable, means you cannot change. Is it clear now? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall we go to the next example?
Yes, sir.
Take a screenshot of this. Have you taken a screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now we will see the example here. Just see very carefully. So how to create a blank list? So just if you have a blank list like a B list or bank list within single quote and double quote, it is nothing but we are initializing a data type as a list. Okay. So we'll see a type of, we can see the data type. So print type is one function. Type of BLANK list. We'll see what is that class. It belongs to list. We see the class because it is belongs to list. So that is how you have to see the data type of the particular object or a variable, you can say. So next is the list of strings. What are the list of strings? Because apple, banana, and we can have also add some more value. Apple, banana, strawberry, like that. If you can add apple, banana, orange. It is a, you can see I'll execute. It is, see the down. You can have apple, banana, orange. It has been printed it. Next is we have a list of numbers. So numbers can be integer as well as the floating value. We have integer, floating, integer, integer, floating. integer. So it is get printed here. Next thing is list of list. See, it is very important. You can have one list, the another list, the another list. So can anyone tell me what is the length of the list now? What is the length of the list now?
7, sir.
Wrong. Anyone?
5, sir.
3.
Wrong. Who said
1,
3?
sir.
Who said
Sir,
3?
me, sir, 3.
Sir,
Akash.
10, sir.
No,
3,
what's your
sir.
name?
Akash, sir.
How did you know it's 3? How did you identify it?
So the bracket is 1, sir. 4
Yeah,
to 3,
0, 1,
4, 3.
2. So 3. So this is like list of list. This is become one list. This is second list. This is third
But
list.
this third list.
So 0th element, first element, second element.
Second element. Total 3, sir.
Total 3. Good. This is what I told you, no, when you're slicing the list, the index value is important. Suppose if you want to print the first element, what will we do? Print, see, list of, it should be very important, case sensitive. List of 0 means what it will be print? The first element, 0th element is printed. See here, 45 and 3.2. If you say 1 or second element, red and green has come. And you can also say second element of first element or 0th element, 2 of 0. You will get red. Of the second, the 0th element is red. You see, red is printed. You got it now? Very,
Yes,
very
sir.
important. If you have doubt, please clarify. Don't be shy in asking the doubt.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yes. What is
Sir,
the doubt?
that bracket will be included as 1, sir, and that inside that bracket, each element will also be counted, sir.
That is what I have done now in this. We were asking about which one you are taking. Each element means here 1, 2, sorry, maybe you say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that you say.
Yes, sir.
No, it won't be calculated. See, this is like it's a list of list. I can have a list. I can also have the number. Suppose if I have, say 20, 30, list. So it will be like, now it will be 20, 30, is added, no? List of list. See here. This is a list of list has been added. Inside the list, I am calculating the second element, 0th column. So 0, 1, second element, second of 0. Suppose if you want to get the red, what will be the, what should I do? For I want to get the red. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I say 4 of 0, that is on fourth element, 0th column, I'm getting red. Is it clear now? Any doubt? List
Sir,
of
clear,
list
sir.
which has a number also. For that only I have given this. Suppose if you don't want, I'm just going back to the previous one so that I can explain this for the regular purpose. See here I'm getting the index error because there is no fourth index here. See 0, 1, 2 is there. I gave 4 of 0. I'm getting the list of index out of range. You'll get the error. Error also, identifying the error also very, very important in this concept. So what should I do for get the red?
2 of 0.
We should add extra, sir.
What? Not extra. I
Sir,
want to get
2
the
of
red.
0.
2
Two,
of
sir.
2 of 0.
2 of 0. 2 of
Yes.
0.
2 of 0 is correct. And then, is there understanding any doubt in this?
Understood, sir.
And the
Yes,
next one
understand,
is list of mixed data types. This is what I wanted to say. Mixed data types. It can be a float, it can be a string, it can be integer, it can be again another list. So now what is the element now? How many elements you have this list? What is the length of the list? Length of my
Five,
list
sir.
of mixed data type is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5. It is correct. So when you say print len of is 5. Suppose if you want to access bill, I want to take the bill. What is the answer?
Sir, list
Four.
of mix. Print list of mix.
Mixed of mix.
List of mix, and in a square bracket we should give 2, sir.
2 or 1.
1, sir. 1.
I want say bill I want. So it is
1, sir.
1. Because indexing is start from 0.
0.
Remember, always remember. This is how the slicing is very, very important when you are finding the list slicing. Take the screenshot, it's very important. And I wanted everything on the classwork. Remember. Done?
Yes, sir.
We'll go to the next one.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Finding
Yes,
the
sir.
length of the list, already I said the length of the list is one function, len function. We already saw that. So next I'm going to adding an element to the end of the list. It is called appending. I want to add the element at the end of the list. Append is the end of the list. So what is the list of numbers? I have 12, 7.6, 30 and 64. I want a list of numbers to be added and appending. I'm using append element 2, list of element 2, element 3. After that I'm using some value. So this is list of numbers. Now the length of the list of numbers is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or how much? It should be 5 only. 0, 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3, and this entire thing is taken as 1. So 5 element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Append is clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Next is insert. After C inserting, you can, yeah.
So what is appended element, sir?
Appended element is a value. It can be anything. Appended element in the list. If I say whatever I'm typing, so I'm appended in the
Okay.
list. It's just one element.
Okay.
Instead of showing an element, I just given you for explanation appended element itself. After that, we have a
Okay.
230, 500. Sorry, 590.
Okay, sir.
It's just treated as a one string data type, string input. If you want, I can have also 100 also in before. 100 comma. So this also will be added, appended.
Okay, sir.
So even though my length will be 5 only. So here I can add, keep on adding. See, whatever I can add also, this are taken as one element. So 0th element, first element, second element, third element, fourth element. This entire thing treated as the 4th element only. So total element of length of the list is 5. Is it clear? I'll just go back to the
Yes,
previous
sir.
state. I'll
Yes,
just
sir.
go back to the previous state. Now next is inserting an element. You have to see the difference between insert and update. What is insert and update? Can anyone tell me what is the difference between insert and update? See, the name answer itself is there. Insert means I'm inserting.
Insert here. You insert a new element, sir. Update means we are update.
Append means at the end we are adding any value. Insert means whichever the position you wanted to insert. Okay. Now, what is is it understood now? What is the thing? I'm having list of data type. I want to add gates next to bill. That's what I am doing. List of mixed data types dot insert 2. So 0th element, first element, the second element will be my gates. So after that, I got the printout of 0, 1, 2, second element is printed. After that, you have fourth and fifth element. Now you got it?
Yes,
Take
sir.
the screenshot of this two, then we will go to the next one. See, if I am going fast, you can stop me and you can ask me any doubt, because these are all very easy. Once you know the first list thorough, the indexing and slicing, after that everything is same. Tuple, string, everything is same. The concept is same. That is why I take you to a list. Is a very easily you can understand what is a list. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the time now? 12:20. We have another 20 minutes more.
20 minutes.
Right. Next thing is removing a item from the list. So now I want to remove an item from the list. I can straight away give you the value of the removing whatever I wanted to remove, but it will remove the first occurrences of the value. You have 54 bill and this thing 232 is there. It will take out the first occurrences of the value if you want to remove. You got it? Because 232 both you have, but it won't remove all the 232, only the first occurrences. Suppose if you have the 232 or again 14.4, nothing will happen, only the 232 will be removed and then you can get the list. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now next we are going to see is extend. It is very important. What is the difference between append and extend is an important question. We'll see the difference of list in a list of append as well as extend. We see first append here, already we saw. Again, I am one more time I'm explaining. I have a list of mixed data type is there and list of number is there. This is one list of numbers and list of mixed data type. When I say append list of numbers, I can also using the reference. This is one list, this is another list. I am appending the third. Again, the first list is there, list of mixer type. I am appending this value. So you got this 54 bill 232 14.4. Again, I added one more list. Till now it is clear. As of now it is clear. This is already we saw.
Yes,
The
sir.
length is 5 only. So 0,
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4. So total 0 to 4, 5. Now, when you say extend is very important. When you use the keyword extend, that means it is to be like updated the existing list with this value. It is updating the existing list in the value. See the difference here. 54 bill 232 14. I am having the same thing. Instead of this, you see here how it is happening. Here how it is happening. Inside the list itself, it is extended the list. You got the point, extended the list. So now the total element is 8. Previously the total element is 5. Am I clear? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So extend is you are extending the list to the previously what you wanted to do it. Suppose I wanted to mix a data type, I want to extend another list of values. So it is extended and it will be like treated as a one list. Take the screenshot. Done.
Yes, sir.
Next thing is deleting an element. See, we saw remove. Now we saw the delete. Deleting by giving the index. So we have to delete by using the index. See, we saw delete here first. We'll see this. Then we'll come to this pop. So when I execute, I'm getting only 5544. First thing I am deleting, see here is very, very clearly you see. I was just deleting the element of 2 I was removed. What is the element of root 2?
232.
So 232 is removed. Okay. And I can see if 1 to 3 element I wanted to remove. Next thing is slicing. I can remove from 1 to 3. I'm making this as comment. I'm removing this now. You see here from 1. So from 1 is this, and 0, 1, 2, 3. Exclude the value here. So 1 is there. From here, first point I want 3. 1, 2, 3. So exclude 1, 2 and 3 will be printed. So from the 1, this won't be printed, only 3. Got it now? From first, 0 will be there from first and 3. Now we will see the pop method now. We have pop is there. Pop is also one of the method. This is a list I have. I wanted to pop the list. I have just stored it in item popped, which is popped, and after that I'm printing. So pop also using the first element, 0 is being popped. Okay. And I stored in the item deleted. After that I am printing this both. What is the item deleted, and after deletion what is my list. So this is the first list with value. After that I am popping one using the pop function using index value, and delete also using the index value. Whereas the remove, what you do, remove will give you the what? Removing using the value. Pop and delete will give you the index. You have to use the index. Remove, see the differences? Is it clear now? Take the screenshot of this. You have remove also here and pop and delete also there. Because I made it as comment, because once if I deleted, I can't give you. Maybe I will give you as a splitted one. I'll split the table now. Or I will split. Split cell. Yes. This is the one and this is the one. I don't have the list, so I have to copy this. Oops. Now you will get the clear idea now. Now it will be clear. Take the screenshot of now. Take the screenshot now. This will be there. Clearly you can understand. 30, 29 and 213. Now it's clear, ma? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So now we'll see the membership of a list and then we'll stop here, and maybe I can have the reverse also is there. We'll complete with this. We'll stop here. So what is a membership operator? Membership operator is what? In. So I am checking the list of mixed data type. I have a 54.4, bill 232 and 14.4 is there. I am traveling, I am just checking the list of mixed data types, whether the bill is there or not. If bill is there in my list, I will give you print found the list. If 131 not in the list, yes, not in the list. Just in and not in. It is just little bit straightforward explanation. Don't need further any explanation of that. Checking whether the element is there in the list or not. Now we'll see the reversing a list. We have the reverse method is there. So list of index is there. I have the 54, bill 232 again like this. I'm printing the normal list. After that, I'm using a reverse function, some built-in function reverse. It is get reversed as it is. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So take the screenshot of this, and with that we'll stop now. Any doubt you have?
No, sir.
Okay, shall we wind up? Anything else you wanted to ask? And this regarding the classwork, are you all got the classwork notebook, right? And record
Yes,
notebook?
sir.
Got, sir.
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
got
sir.
record.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Reader only did not got,
Start.
sir.
What, ma?
Sir, I
Reader,
got
sir.
only
Did not
class
got
work,
the reader,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Reader. I was just waiting for the
Sir, you
confirmation.
told that you will be telling, sir.
Yeah. I have just inquired. I inquired the school. This is still under pending only. By this week or next week, we will be expecting the reader. After that, anyway, you are having the NCRT reader, right? And we have ordered already. We are just waiting for the consignment to come.